So this is what the step-by-step guide will build you, with your personal touches of course. Let's jump in and take a look. Control panel artwork, finished with a Perspex top for protection and a glossy finish. I went with classic style buttons and joysticks in a 2-player configuration. Let's start it up. I love how this marquee pops. It has a funky little boot up sequence. This cabinet is powered by a Pandora DX2 unit, which opens up to the game menu. Red T-molding with a semi-gloss black really gives this cabinet that classic look, transporting you right back to 1990. Let's take a look inside to see how it all works. Starting on the door, I have these twin thermo fans, one intake and one exhaust, providing ample ventilation inside the cabinet. They're powered via USB. The whole cabinet is powered by this power board, which goes down into the base and out the back to plug straight into the wall. Up top we have the sound system, the speakers and amp. The speakers I chose for this cabinet are these Pioneer 320 watt speakers. A little overkill, but I intend to replace the Pandora unit with something more custom, so stay tuned for that video. For now, they work perfectly combined with this 2-channel amp where you can control your volume, bass and treble. On the mid-shelf is the brains, currently powered by a Pandora DX2, a simple plug-and-play system and a good starting point for your arcade journey. It connects via VGA cable straight to the monitor. It even has the option for HDMI, so I have that here ready too for this and other software for later when I want to upgrade further. The games are all preloaded onto this SD card, which just pops in and out easily. There are almost 10,000 games on this little thing. I also have some controllers available, like this SNES type controller, as some of the console games on here are just better played with a controller than a joystick. Simply plug it into the USB input prior to loading your game and you're good to go. This is a great option to have. The monitor is secured in place by blocks top and bottom and these brackets. It's solid and not going anywhere. I installed a lock and key to close the cabinet. The fans have these stainless grates for safety and aesthetics so no one can get their fingers chopped up by accident. The door opens and closes smoothly with a 600mm continuous hinge. Let's take a look at the menus now. Hit the player 1 button and a menu will pop up where you can search by genre. It's well organised and helps sort the overwhelming amount of games. You simply pick a genre and you can scroll through all the games in there. You can even search for specific game titles. It also saves all your high scores even when you turn the power off, which is a really cool feature. Stay tuned for part 2. I'll do a bit of a montage of some of the games that are on this system.